In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a block quote to an email in Gmail. Whether you're crafting an email for professional communication or simply looking to make your message stand out, using block quotes can be an excellent way to highlight important information. So let's dive right in and learn how to do this in Gmail. First, open up your Gmail account and click to begin composing a new email or open an existing draft where you'd like to add a block quote. The key here is that you should have the email editor open, which you have probably done a million times by now. Once you have your email draft ready, it's time to highlight the text you want to turn into a block quote. Simply click and drag your cursor over the specific text that you want to stand out. This can be a sentence, a paragraph, or any snippet of text within your email. Highlighting allows Gmail to know exactly which portion of your message needs that extra emphasis. With the text selected, look for the toolbar at the bottom of the Compose window. This toolbar contains various formatting options like bold, italics, and underline. To transform your chosen text into a block quote, you'll want to click on the More Formatting Options button. This is typically depicted as an icon with a few dots or a similar symbol. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu with more tools for text customization. From the drop-down menu, select the Quote option. This action changes your highlighted text into a block quote format, which is automatically aligned to show as a quote with a distinct style. You'll notice that the text now has an indentation and often a different font style to visually separate it from the rest of your content. This design not only makes key points more visible to your recipient, but also gives your email a professional and polished look. It's important to remember that the changes in formatting won't interfere with the readability of your email on different devices or platforms. Gmail ensures that your recipient will see the block quote just as you intended, reinforcing the importance of the information. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're now able to confidently add block quotes to your emails in Gmail. This simple technique can elevate your emails, making them both clearer and more impactful. I hope this tutorial has helped you enhance your Gmail skills, making you a more effective communicator. If you found this guide useful, feel free to share it with others who might be interested. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.